Welcome to Microsoft Office Professional for Windows 95. It's an entire suite of products, including Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Schedule Plus, and Microsoft Bookshelf. There are a lot of cool new things about our Office suite. It'll run on Windows 95 or Windows NT Workstation. And best of all, it'll help you do what you need to do, namely, work better. Every feature that's been added or modified has been done so to take advantage of the powerful 32-bit Windows 95 operating system. Things like multitasking and calculations up to 50% faster in Microsoft Excel are just two of the many enhancements you'll notice. In fact, we're so sure you'll love Microsoft Office for Windows 95, we're even offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, not to mention unlimited no-charge product support. Before you go off and purchase it, you probably want to take a look at those features which are important to you. If you're not familiar with business productivity software, please select the New User button. If you're currently using previous versions of Microsoft Office programs, please select the Current Microsoft User button. And if you're currently using other business productivity software products, please select the Non-Microsoft User button. Obviously, since you're already using previous versions of Microsoft Office programs, you're familiar with the real power an Office suite can offer. But we suspect you've got some questions. The most important of which is, why should you upgrade to Microsoft Office for Windows 95 now? We're confident that after you spend the next few minutes with this demonstration, your questions will be answered. One of the first things you should know is that Microsoft Office was specifically designed to take advantage of Windows 95. It takes advantage of Windows 95 in ways your previous Office programs can't. And there's even greater consistency across all the programs within Microsoft Office. Things look the same. And remember how you liked the IntelliSense features, autocorrect, and the tip wizard? Well, there's even more to like now. Autocorrect is everywhere. And the coolest IntelliSense upgrade feature is the Answer Wizard in every program, ready to answer questions about stuff you need to know. Everybody needs to keep better track of their appointments and tasks, so Office includes Schedule Plus. You also might be worried that upgrading to a new version might mean your old files won't work. Don't be. They'll work just fine in Office for Windows 95. Now, let's take a more in-depth look at what Office is really all about. An essential part of any Office suite is helping people get their jobs done. Microsoft Office makes it easier and faster, so you can focus on your work and not your software. Sharing information across programs is something everybody wants to do. Microsoft Office makes sharing intuitive and comprehensive. Everyone would like greater access to ideas and information. Microsoft Office opens new doors to exchanging information and communicating better in this connected world. To compete in this changing world, you need to make better decisions in less time. Microsoft Office provides a powerful development platform to build real business solutions. You can review any of these areas in detail. Please select one of the 4 buttons on the screen now.
Like we said previously, Microsoft Office was designed to run on Windows 95 or Windows NT Workstation, which will make it easier to do really cool things, like use long file names, or perform a couple of tasks at the same time. You can print a long Word file while editing another, or run multiple programs at the same time, easily switching back and forth between them. If you need speed, you've got it. In Microsoft Excel, calculations can be up to 50% faster. Earlier, we said something about a consistent interface. Well, that's because Microsoft Office was specifically designed to take advantage of Windows 95. So things like tabbed dialog boxes and shortcut menus don't just look the same, they work the same. And not just between all your Office applications. There's also integration between Office and the Windows 95 operating system, which makes it possible to drag and drop from one Office program to another, or to the desktop and back again. Now, maybe you're wondering what IntelliSense is. Well, it really makes it easier for you to focus on your work and not on your software. For example, say you're entering text in any Microsoft Office program. Common typing errors, like holding down the Shift key too long or neglecting to capitalize the word I, are fixed by autocorrect as you make them. It's working with you whenever you enter text. And in Microsoft Excel, autocomplete helps you make data entry faster and more accurate. Another IntelliSense feature is Spell It in Word. Spell It watches you type and actually allows you to correct mistakes as soon as you've made them, making it faster to get that letter-perfect document finished. And the coolest IntelliSense feature is the Answer Wizard. It's always there to give you help when you need it. Simply ask it what you need to do in your own words, like, how do I print sideways? The wizard will give you your solution. It'll activate the appropriate menus, bring up dialog boxes, and indicate what you need to do. So the next time you can get there on your own. Or if you like, the Answer Wizard will just explain things, and you can make it happen. In Microsoft PowerPoint, through the Style Checker, IntelliSense helps you avoid common presentation formatting and punctuation errors. It'll scan a presentation, find design blunders and typographical inconsistencies, make recommendations, or even fix them for you. Another Microsoft Office feature we've included to keep you focused on your work is Microsoft's Find Fast technology. Let's face it, nobody has fun finding a document. So use Find Fast. Just give it a word to search for, and it will list every document that contains it. You can even preview these documents. That way you'll know which one is the one you need without opening any one of them. By now, you can see how Microsoft Office for Windows 95 can best unlock that potential on your desktop, accomplishing things you've never been able to do before. With Microsoft Office for Windows 95, sharing information between programs is more intuitive, comprehensive, and easier. Across all Office programs, you'll see a consistent interface, consistent menus, consistent toolbars, and a consistent set of commands. Say you add a word to your Microsoft Word dictionary. With Office links, that update occurs across all programs, so that added word appears in the dictionary for everything. Again, no matter what Office program you're in. You can drag and drop stuff from place to place. And once you have it there, you can use the power of that Office program. You can also move information from one program to another, like taking a Microsoft Excel database into Microsoft Access. The conversion is automatic, and the wizard will help you put it in the proper format. Let's say you're in Word. You need an address. Well, now you just go get it from Schedule Plus and drop it right in. Now let's look at our Microsoft Office Binder feature. With it, you can build a custom document from your whole set of Office files. Drag the files into the Office Binder. Arrange them in the order you like, and if you need to, make editing changes. Then it'll let you print them the way you want, even as one big document, with consecutive page numbers too. You've just seen another glimpse of the power of Microsoft Office for Windows 95. It's all about information, easy access to it, and the ability to share it across programs. In Microsoft Office for Windows 95, we've included a bunch of features to help you communicate in this increasingly connected world. Office comes with a very powerful time manager built right in, called Schedule Plus. With the help of the Meeting Wizard, you'll be able to keep a handle on arranging group meetings. The wizard steps you through the whole process, from choosing who's attending to picking the location and requesting things like AV equipment. Schedule Plus also lets you look at your appointments the way you feel most comfortable looking at them, by day, week, or month. It'll also organize all your tasks and contacts. When we were designing Office, we recognized the decentralization of the workplace. With PowerPoint, you can conduct presentations right from your desktop to other connected PCs, no matter the location. For managing your electronic communications, the Microsoft Exchange client is your universal box for sending and receiving mail, faxes, and for sharing documents. You can even use Word as your email editor. Think of the impression a well-formatted table and bullet points will make to someone on the other end of your next note. There are special tools to help you make sure everyone really understands your point, like a highlighter and revision marks. Another way Office helps you communicate is through posting files directly up on the Microsoft Exchange server. That way, anyone using the Microsoft Exchange server can access any file you need them to. These days, we also know how important it is for your desktop to be on the information highway. Through Microsoft Office, you can access the Microsoft network. You can also connect directly onto the Internet. And we're not talking just viewing. Word's Internet Assistant helps you create stuff to be an active part of the World Wide Web. That way, you've got a familiar interface to help you navigate the web. All these things we've just seen can really expand your view of the PC on your desktop. With Microsoft Office for Windows 95, it becomes the gateway to unlimited potential in our increasingly connected world. Like we just said, Microsoft Office for Windows 95 can help your organization make better decisions and streamline business processes. How? Well, it's all about building powerful custom business solutions. Like build a special program for forecasting and budgeting. Then the next time, with just a few clicks, you'll get the data the way you want, in the format you want, and the format you need. You can change the view by product, by revenue, even by profit. A chart can be created right from the information on the screen. So can a budget, or a report. Now, say you want some personal customization. Use the macro recorder. Record your actions, and then assign it a button on the screen. Next time you want to repeat that process, just click the mouse. How's that for power? With Microsoft Office for Windows 95, every idea you've had for better access and understanding information is right there at your fingertips, and in a way anyone can use. With Microsoft Office for Windows 95, you can access the power of your tools, so you can focus on your work and not your software.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our Microsoft Office for Windows 95 demonstration.